paper.
You're painting? That's okay, it'll wash. Don't leave it on your table. Who gave you those paintbrushes?
I'm ready for our game.
Beth, those are nice, aren't they? You love to paint, don't you?
For today's game. Well, I thought we were going to play soccer today. Oh, well, we are. It's just kind of.
What are you painting? A picture? What's the picture of?
You know who can help us?
Dad.
Of Aunt Beth?
Yeah, that's pictures.
Are you gonna mail it to her?
Yeah, out mail.
In the mail?
There's that picture over on her fridge.
Aunt Beth, this is your picture. She said you have to hang it on your fridge. We'll mail it to you when it dries. I'll lay it here while it dries, okay?
Okay. That's it.
You're gonna paint another one? Who's this one for?
Daddy!
Daddy? Okay, tell it, Beth, I'm gonna paint now. See you later.
I don't paint now for Daddy. See you later.